Hi everyone, Dr. Omi from Pain Free and Fit and Posturesize. Today we've got a great simple posture exercise to help you with your tension headaches that you can implement into your daily activities. Hope you enjoy. Most tension headache sufferers don't realize that posture plays an important role in many tension headaches. Specifically, when we have forward head posture, meaning that the ear is no longer on top of the shoulder, which is where it should be in normal good posture, the back of the neck, where the neck meets the head, begins to compress. The skull bones actually rotate forward, and the short muscles right behind the back of the skull that attach to the upper neck, called the suboccipitals, actually shorten and tighten. Many times they'll develop trigger points or tight nodules, which refer pain into the head, causing headaches. Chiropractic, massage, osteopathic manipulation helps to loosen this up, but there's a lot you can do yourself to prevent this from happening by just becoming aware of where your head and neck is during daily activities. Most people have a tendency to bring the head forward when their interest is in front of them, specifically reading, watching television, looking at the computer. Their heads have a tendency to lead the motion. Even daily activities such as reaching forward to get something out of a drawer, bending forward to pick something up. Many of us lead with our heads instead of properly bending at our hip joint or our mid-back to get us where we need to be. By practicing moving the head backwards or pulling the face towards the back of the head, it helps to open up this compression. It relieves the shortening stress of those suboccipital muscles. You can practice that originally in a seated or standing position by just gliding back to a comfortable degree. If you start to feel pain or stretch at the back of your upper neck or the back of the skull, it's too far, just pull it back to a point that's comfortable, and then maintain that as you bend your hips and move forward to try to do activities. By plugging this into your daily activities, where you ask yourself through the day, is my head starting to lean forward? That slight movement backwards with that face towards the back of the head will help to guide you through the day to maintain a better posture. If you add to that corrections of lateral flexion or rotation, which many of us suffer from, you'll only be benefiting your tension headache risk even more. Most of us have a tendency to lean our head more to one side or another based on repetitive postures, movements, sleep positions, or rotate more to one side than another. If you notice that in normal standing posture, your neck or your head has a tendency to lean to one side or rotate to one side, simply lean it a little bit more towards normal and then practice that face pulling back motion. When you do that, that'll set a nice symmetrical amount of shortening versus lengthening on your neck muscles and increase the balance between those suboccipital muscles. Then as you go about your daily activities, include that slight tilt or rotation while you pull the face back, and that's going to be your best bet for undoing that repetitive stress that builds into tension headaches. If you like this video on tension headaches and neck posture, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of great videos out there concerning neck pain, headaches. If you want to help me share this valuable information with others, give me a thumbs up below. Questions or comments, write in. I'll be delighted to answer them. And remember, if you're looking for a great program to help with upper neck discomfort, look no further than our neck healing exercise program available at the painfreeandfit.com website. I hope this short tutorial on forward head posture and suboccipital tightness as it relates to tension headaches helps you with your tension headache pain.